It's tough to define a papa, and even tougher in words. At least not in 100 stanzas, the way you love your three girls. Happy Father's Day!
Hello friends, welcome to Shakahar Sadabahar.
So today in our kitchen, we are going to make a special mango dessert. To make this recipe, first we need to have mangoes and along with it vanilla ice cream. So let's begin. We have sliced the mangoes into pieces and now we are going to put it in. So now in the jar we have to put the fresh cream with the spoon. And now when I put the fresh cream, it's about the ice cubes. And now it's about vanilla ice cream. I think one scoop is not enough. We have to put another scoop. As our vanilla ice cream has already has sugar and mangoes too, we are going to avoid sugar in it. So now let's grind it. Now when I've grinded it, our paste is not as smooth as it's supposed to be. So we have to put milk in here to make it smooth. And now let's grind it again and see what the result is. Oh wow! The paste is really smooth and our mango mastani is almost ready. Now we have to put small mango cubes in it, a few cream and mango mastani itself. And now vanilla ice cream all on the top of mango mastani. And tutti frutti, and we decorate with some dry fruits. And now for the final touch, we are going to add some cubes of mango on the top of it to make it even more delicious and few drops of mango shake to make it even more beautiful. And now our glass of mango mastani is ready to be served and enjoyed with whole family. And with this, we come to the end of our video. I really hope that you like our video, and if you like it, please turn the black thumb blue, that is like the video, subscribe to my mom's channel, that is Shaka Sadabahar, and share this video with your family and friends as much as you can. And please let me know in the next video if you tried this, and if you tried it, how was it? How was the mango mastani? And I hope that you enjoyed the mango mastani as much as we did. Thank you.